Friends, good morning. Professor Vitthal Jadhav. Once again, I am going to explain about the atomic plan through this Diamonds Worldwide. Friends, already we have discussed what is the profile of atomy, what are the different products of atomy, as well as the detailed plan. But today's sessions, just I am going to explain in detail about the mastership bonus of atomy. In short, again, I will tell you the profile in which we know that the atomy is starting worldwide from 2009, working in 15 countries under the guidance of our CEO, Park Hangil. If you go through the profile of Hangil Parksas, he is working in this industry from 1992, having so many awards related with this. Nowadays, he is the president of Direct Selling Industries in South Korea. He is a president of or the founder of Atomy World, as well as he's a member of World Direct Selling Associations. We know that what is Atomy? It is a collaboration of Kerry and Kolmar, Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, who is designing different formulas. Kolmar is a manufacturing unit worldwide working on nanotechnology. So, what is Atomy? It is a collaboration of Kerry and Kolmar, and Atomy is going to distribute its product worldwide. So you go in details related with this. You know the product. Atomy is working on healthcare, personal care, fashion, food, different. These are the categories. If you go on the web page of Atomy, we are having two malls there. One is Atomy Mall, another is Aza Mall, which is working in South Korea. Atomy Mall, what is Atomy Mall? All the products designed by Kerry and Kolmar, they are available on this Atomy Mall, and the using GSGS, that is Global Source, Global Sys technology, which is used in Atomy, through which all the products worldwide which are available on this Aza Malls. Very soon, that Aza Malls, they are working in different countries, and we are able to buy the product through that. We know that Atomy works on the PV point values. So if you go for the 100%, out of that 30% is a company profit, 70% PV company is going to distribute to us. Out of this 44% is that matching bonus, 6% company goes for education systems, and 20% is a mastership bonus. Uh, all those persons who are working in the systems, definitely they are getting the matching bonus, and that whatever the matching bonus, after that what the business get accumulated for 15 days, and that 15 days business which is to be counted for mastership bonus. If you go for the mastership bonus, it's a closing is two times in 1 month. 1 to 15 is one first closing, and 16 to month end is the second closing. So it's a very important. If you want to work seriously in Atomy, definitely you need to achieve this mastership levels. This is one type of royalty, we can say that. Mastership calculations done over a global business collections, and through that global business collections, 20% which is to be spent on this mastership bonus. So 20% mastership bonus, it is to be divided into the 7 levels. That is, the first level is sales master, diamond master, Sharon Rose masters, star masters, royal master, crown master, and imperial masters. Those persons or those leaders who are working in Atomy, definitely they are having a target to become imperial masters, to success, for going for a big success, or we may call to achieve all the dreams what you see through the Atomy. But friends, I want to say that if you want to achieve a imperial masters, the basic is sales masters. So again, if you go through this 20% mastership bonus, it is to be divided into two parts. Only the 10% is given to the sales master, and remaining 10% it is to be divided into the remaining 6%. What it means? It's a company's main focus is on sales masters, because the leader in which he achieve more and more sales master in his team, definitely his business is much constant and he would get a regular check. Because the person who joined today, within month or within 2 months, he will achieve sales masters. So many people ask me the questions, so what should be the team size to achieve a sales masters? Friends, to achieve a sales master, it is not depends upon your team, it depends upon the turnover of your team. But how the turnover it is to be achieved? To explain the turnover related with sales masters, first we see what is sales masters. To achieve a sales master in Atomy, so your personal purchasing must be a 7 lakh PV. Then 15 days business should be 25 lakh PV in left leg and 25 lakh PV should be in right leg. Then you are qualified as a sales masters within 15 days. Company, as per the company plan, when you achieve a sales masters, $1,000 will give the company to you, and for next 15 days, $1,000. It means that near about $2,000 per month it is possible to achieve using sales masters. If you go for the calculation of whole year, $24,000 will be your income if you achieve a sales master, or you keep this sales master level constant. So to achieve sales master in every 15 days, that level is known as a auto sales masters. To achieve thus, it's known as an auto sales master. What is auto sales masters? Auto sales masters means to achieve the sales master in every 15 days closing. Friends, just like I was told you, so many leaders ask me, so how much will be the team size? Uh, I told you that it sales master is not depends upon a team size, but it depends upon the turnover in your team. Those persons having 100 people in his team, those persons having 200, 500, 1000, etc., etc. How that peoples they are buying the product, it depends upon that you can achieve a sales master. Here I have given an example of auto sales master. To achieve auto sales masters, I was told you within 15 days your left leg business must be a 20 lakh PV and right leg business must be a 25 lakh PV. If there are 25 households we can call, or 25 leaders in your left leg and 25 leaders in your right leg, those leaders continuously buying a product of 1 lakh PV every month. So one person is buying a product of 1 lakh PV, then 25 people means 25 lakh PV you can achieve in a left leg and 25 people in right leg. It means that you are qualifying as a sales master, you will get $1,000. For next 15 days, another 15 households or another 50, another 25 leaders will be there. They are achieving this 25 leaders, they are buying the product of 1 lakh PV, and in right leg also they are buying a product of 1 lakh PVs. It means that if you go for the total calculation in 1 month, if there are 50 peoples in your left leg and 50 peoples in your right legs, constantly they are buying a product of 1 lakh PV. So definitely you are qualifying a sales master to every 15 days and you are able to achieve $2,000 every month. It's a very easy, but you have to concentrate on such leaders or such peoples. Those are buying a product of 1 lakh PV. That should be your target. Those persons who are buying a product of 10,000 PV, 10,000 PV or 20,000 PV or 20,000 PV or 30,000 PV. In this situations, those who are buying the product, definitely you need a team size must be more, or you need more time for achieving the auto sales master. But fastly, if you want to achieve auto sales masters, just 50 people in your left leg and 50 people in your right legs, they are buying a product of 1 lakh PV. You have to concentrate on this. This is called as an auto sales masters. Once you become auto sales masters, what company will give to you? Company will give a $24,000 per year, we can say. Other than that, if you want to achieve a imperial masters, if you want to achieve a diamond masters, so 2 sales master must be in your each leg. Here I have given a table: mastership level, monthly income, condition on each leg. That is, to achieve a diamond master, 2 sales master must be in your left leg and 2 sales master must be in your right leg. So company will distribute 5% out of 20% to diamond masters. And what is the income? $4,000 to $10,000 in between the diamond master will achieve. If you want to achieve Chevron Rose Masters, what is the condition? 2 diamond must be in left and 2 diamond must be in right. Out of 20%, 2% is distributed to Chevron Rose Masters, and his income is in between $10,000 to $20,000. Star Masters, 2 Chevron must be in left and 2 Chevron must be in right, and his income is $20,000 to $40,000 per month, and company will distribute 1.2% to him. What is Royal Masters? Royal Master, 2 star master must be in your left leg and 2 star must be in right leg. 1% company will distribute to him, and his income is in between $40,000 to $45,000. To achieve a crown, 2 royal must be in left and 2 royal must be in right. 0.5% out of 20% will distribute to crown, and he is getting 45,000 to 50,000 per month. $45,000 to $50,000 per month as an income. And once you achieve imperial masters, his income is more than $50,000 per month. 2 crown you need in left and right leg, and company will distribute 0.3% to him. Friends, every person is having a dream to achieve. Every person is having a dream to achieve this imperial master income. But definitely, to achieve an imperial master, you must have to start sales master, and if you sales masters, and if you want to keep your check constants, achieve more and more sales masters in your team, automatically the diamond to imperial different levels, automatically it will be there in your team. So once you achieve this different levels, with other than this income, company will give some different rewards to you also. So what are the rewards? When you achieve sales master, company will give one Hemohim, one Atomy skincare set, and Atomy evening set, near about 20,000 products. When you achieve diamond masters, company will give one laptop, one set of Hemohim, one set of skincare 6, and one set of evening care set as a reward to you. When you achieve Chevron Rose Masters, as a reward, company will give 2,000 cash, $2,000 as a cash, 2 travel tickets. Then for Star Master, $10,000 as a cash and 4 travel tickets for your family. For Royal Master, what is the reward? Company will give the 50,000 cash, $50,000 as a cash, and from this one more income, business development fund will company start to you. That is a $2,000 per month to manage your business. Car rental will give company near about $10,000. Then 4 travel tickets for 10 days and 11 nights. For Crown Masters, what is the reward? $3 lakh cash, $5,000 per month as a business development fund. One luxury car near about 40 lakhs. Then 4 travel tickets for 10 days and 11 nights. And every person, every leader who's having a dream as an imperial, to achieve imperial masters, company will give $1 lakh as a cash, $10,000 per month as a business development fund. One luxury car will give as a reward, and office rent will company provide to you. Personal assistant salary also company provide to A driver salary also company provides to you, and 4 travel tickets for 10 days and 11 nights also company provide to you. Every leaders must have a dream to achieve a imperial masters, friends. But again I will told you, to achieve imperial masters, the main thing in atomy is you must have to achieve an sales master. More sales master in your team, more will be the income achieved your team, and more will be the constant income of you, friends. This is only a mastership level which I have explained to you. In the last video I was explained its profile in detail. Matching bonus is also in details. Here I am going to give you my WhatsApp numbers. If anybody or any person is having any query regarding this, you can ask me anytime. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, friends.